Piolo naman. May di- may mga sinuggest ka bang kanta dito? Tinanong ka ba nila may mga naisip kang kantang gusto mong kantahin for this concert?
It's a collaboration naman. All the songs na gusto namin pero ni Mr. C. And yung feeling namin na mag-work for today. It's a romantic day. So,
Yung sa'yo, ano yung mga particular songs na sinuggest mo?
well, mostly from my decades. Kasi, di ba, it has 12 tracks each. So, kailangan talagang pumili ka ng songs na gusto mo lang kantahin. And also from my songs from before, mga Tagalog hits na ginamit sa mga themes. And yun, so kailangan talagang i-narrow lang sila sa talagang kaso sa repertoire. So, what we did, nagme-medley kami para at least we're able to sing all the other songs na gusto marinig ng audience.
Ay, at sa rehearsal, sa pagre-rehearse nyo for this concert, meron ka na bang pinaka-na-enjoy na number na dapat naming abangan?
I'm actually looking forward to the Beatles song, that medley, that soliloquy.
Ayun. Sa mga songs, ano yung may tuturing mong, with a special meaning, matuturing mong birthday song, kumbaga, for your, that talks about your life, your career, your achievements?
Wala pa ako naiisip. Siguro, I would have to think or consider Hanggang. Kasi it's not my song. But whenever I sing it, I remember before, there were people in the States who parang umiiyak sila pag kinakanta ko yung Hanggang. Kasi it's really a meaningful song. And it's my mom's favorite. So, namin nagre-request ng song na yun. So, ginagawa namin pang opening, di ba? Mr. C twice. So, with that, siguro mostly Tagalog pa rin eh. Siyempre, it's closer to heart.
Since this is a special concert pang birthday mo nga, may mga manonood bang relatives and loved ones? And kasama ba yung anak mo doon?
My mom is in town. She just arrived for my birthday. But my son is in the States. Nag-aaral. And every time naman may concert ako, my family is always there to support. And my friends as well.
Yung nangyaring number sa ASAP, pwede kayong maulit yun?
Siguro hindi naman. Huwag naman ganun. Torture yun. Hindi naman.
Bakit nang sabing torture?
Kasi I was really, caught unaware. It was a surprise thing. I mean, we were all aware that I'm trying to keep him from showbiz because nag-aaral yung bata. Ayokong ma-publicize masyado because ayoko ma-divert yung attention niya from education or from school to showbiz because as it is, mahirap if you're magnified whatever you do and then you're in school, pag-uusapan ka. It's one of the reasons why I agreed na mag-aral siya sa States o pumunta siya sa States para at least he'll have his own identity. But now that he's 13 and that video was really a surprise and gusto ko man siya pagalitan, gusto ko man magalit, parang it served its purpose. That was for me talagang it's the biggest birthday gift I ever got from him. And hindi namin inisip yung mga issues, hindi namin inisip yung mga pwede na sabihin ng tao, but for him as a son, he just wanted to really make me happy on my birthday and I respected that.
Ano nararamdaman mo na because of that surprise number, sumikat yung anak mo sa social media, pinag-usapan, top Yahoo searches nga daw.
Diba?
Anong nararamdaman? And given na, yun nga, ayaw mo nga kasi siyang maging artista, and then biglang nangyari yung
I hope it doesn't get to his head. I hope na huwag niyang isipin na window na yun o yung door na yung pagpasok sa showbiz at kalimutan ng pag-aaral because I really insist na tapusin pa rin yung pag-aaral bago mag-showbiz. At
ano naman nararamdaman marami nakita nila yung itsura ng anak mo, talagang sinabi na kamukhang-kamukha mong kasing gwapo mo nga daw.
Parang sabi niya kay Tito Alfie, totoo yung anak ko. Kasi marami rin ko sabi na dito? Make believe or anything. But I don't have to defend or parang expose him or anything, I respect people's opinion. So whatever my son did, kayo nang bahala.
Aware ba siya sa nangyaring biglang sikat na yun because of the surprise na number na yun?
What can you do with social networking? It's all over the net. So hindi ko mapipigilan yun. And that's how we chat. Nag-Skype kami, nag-internet siya, magka-Facebook kami. So hindi natin mapipigilan yung bata na paluin yung comment yung pumasok sa site na to. Huwag mo i-trend yung sarili mo. Patay.
Ano daw nararamdaman niyo na sa nangyari na yung biglang sikat?
I don't know. I never really asked about that because for me, ayoko may entertaining thought. Ayoko isipin na just because of what he did. Siyempre maraming magiging interesado, maraming mga gustong magtanong about him. I just don't want him corrupted. I just don't want him to think of other things, other than education, or talagang gusto ko muna i-enjoy niya yung pagkabata niya more than anything. Kaya hindi namin pinag-uusapan.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, Piolo.